Well, g'day viewers, another beautiful day, and I just thought I might take this opportunity to remind you all about my Patreon giveaways and this month's giveaway, which is a Wendouree motorcycle dash cam. And so this month's giveaway is the Wendouree motorcycle dash cam, and I've made a video on this product and what I think of it and how it performs, and I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. But yeah, I'll be giving that away this week, and it's going to one of my Patreon members. To become a Patreon member is very easy. A link will be in the description below, and it only costs you $2 US per month to be a member, and you automatically go into the draw for my monthly giveaways. Last month I gave away a intercom set, motorcycle intercom set. And this month is the Wendouree motorcycle dash cam, and next month will be a battery charger, which will charge cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, basically charges everything. So if you want to be in the running for those giveaways, not only are you helping out the channel financially for only $2 US per month, but you get extra videos, you get discounts on my merch, and you go into the draw to win a monthly giveaway. Now, whether I'll extend the giveaways once these items have gone in a couple of months' time, I'll see. I'll see how it goes. If I can build a membership and start getting more products in, then I will. Actually, I do have a couple of products that are coming in, so the giveaways will be going for a couple of months more. But I won't say that. It's a bit of a surprise, so I won't say what it is. But there is something I think you might like that's coming as a giveaway. Yeah, so check out my Patreon. Links in the description below. And until next time, bye for now.